Action.
Hi everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we are going to talk about elephant and why they are considered a keystone species in ecosystem.
That's why elephants play a crucial role in maintaining balance. For example, they have species become many plant with elephant vegetation for their seeds.
That really interesting. Do elephants contribute to the ecosystem in other way?
Yes, they do. During silver drought, elephants use a trunk to dig or for underground water. This provide the water not only for themselves, but also for other animals.
So they are basically help other species survive.
Exactly. Elephants also have set landscape by creating gap in forest. They allow sunlight to reach the ground, which help you plant grow.
I heard that seed grow better after passing through an elephant digestive system. Why is that?
Uh, the seed the seed are deposited in elephant dung, which is rich in nutrients. This process add nitrogen to the soil and help seeds spread over long distance because elephant travel far.
This makes sense. Unfortunately, elephants are facing many threats today. What are the main ones?
I think the main one is a habitat loss and fragmentation, a major threat due to farming and human settlement.
And poaching is still a big problem, right?
Yeah, illegal poaching to evolve remains a serious threat, especially in Africa.
Are there any international effort to protect them?
There are many international organizations are working to prevent poaching, reduce conflict between human and elephants, and raise public awareness through education programs.
That's so how important it is to protect elephants, not just for them but for whole ecosystem.
Exactly. Protecting elephants means protecting diversity and the balance of the nature.
Thanks for listening my first podcast.